Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. Running a garage isn't just about repairs, it's about organization, timing, and trust. That's why we built the garage module in Invent ERP. Let's see how it works. Every vehicle tells a story, and now you can track it perfectly. With customer vehicle details, link every customer to their vehicles, including plate number, vehicle model, manufacturing year, and more. Everything stays organized, searchable, and ready for your customer. From diagnosis to delivery, all in one place. Create repair orders to manage labor and parts, technician assignments, service progress, costs, and billing. Time is money, especially in a busy garage. With repair appointments, schedule jobs in advance, manage workload, and reduce downtime. See what's coming, prepare ahead, and keep your workshop running smoothly. Sell smarter, not harder with the service packages. Create service packages for common jobs, speed up order creation, and deliver a consistent customer experience every time. Customize each package to fit your needs. Simply add your services, adjust the details, and your package is ready to go. The garage module in Invent ERP brings everything together: vehicles, services, repairs, and customers, in one powerful system. Less paperwork, better tracking, faster service,